The Free Aceh movement, or GAM, drew support from all walks of life, including many women. Asnidar was a member of Inong Bale, the women's armed wing of GAM. Inong Bale means war widows in Acehnese, but the group also included married women and young girls. Asnida was only 15 years old when she joined the movement. Her father was a GAM commander and the family had no choice but to flee the village to avoid being killed by the military.
Kami ke pelosok-pelosok, kemana ayah kami pergi, ke situ. Makanya dapatlah jodoh waktu kami bersama-sama terjun ke lapangan. Udah nikah di hutan, udah itu melahirkan di hutan. Tujuan kami untuk Aceh ini lebih baik ke depan. Kalau misalnya Aceh ini nggak baik ke depan, nggak bagus ke depan, kalau kami diajak perang masih mau.
Today, Asnida continues her fight for a better Aceh, not with weapons but through politics as a member of the Aceh Party. Muzakir Manaf is the current chairman of the Aceh Party and the former leader of GAM's armed wing. The 61-year-old who received combat training in Libya won the Aceh gubernatorial election last year and was sworn in as governor this February.
Yang kami harapkan ialah supaya kepentingan Aceh diutamakan. Apa saja yang Aceh inginkan, Aceh perlukan, yaitu gimana? Kesejahteraan. Kita lihat Aceh pengangguran yang begitu banyak ya. Sebenarnya misi visi kami dalam memerintah ke masa 5 tahun ke masa depan. Mudah-mudahan Aceh lebih maju dan lebih sedikitnya angka pengangguran.
The Law Ministry oversees the registration of local political parties in Aceh and approves their participation in elections. In an exclusive interview with CNA, the Law Minister says Aceh's democratic process has been progressing well.
Kita berharap mudah-mudahan ini juga bisa menjadi contoh ke depan bagi perkembangan demokrasi di Indonesia. Setiap pembahasan undang-undang yang terkait dengan Aceh itu pasti harus merujuk kepada Undang-Undang Pemerintahan Aceh. Posisi lembaga perwakilan di Aceh untuk menentukan sebuah kebijakan dari pemerintah pusat pasti dilibatkan, nggak mungkin tidak. Karena itu amanat undang-undang.
National political parties have also made inroads in the province. In Aceh's parliament, 9 national parties hold 55 of the 81 seats.
Pada pemilu 2019 dan 2024 ini sudah mulai tumbuh sistem demokrasi yang berimbang. Dan partai nasional yang paling tidak pernah ada suara di Aceh, misalnya partai PDI Perjuangan, mereka bisa dapat kursi. Itu jarang terjadi ya di parlemen. Artinya, saya mau katakan demokrasi di Aceh ini sudah semakin dewasa.
Many young Acehnese are also increasingly more open to politics.
Aceh's future lies in the hands of a generation born after the conflict, many of whom are too young to recall the violence that once gripped the province. As future voters and leaders, they will play a pivotal role in shaping Aceh's path forward.
While the younger generation still respect the peace legacy, they are increasingly focused on performance, inclusivity, and accountability.
Bagi saya, kalau misalkan saya open mind, bagi siapa saja yang berhak, yang mampu untuk mengelola Aceh, kenapa enggak? Tidak mesti itu dari ex-GAM, siapapun itu yang berhak untuk memimpin Aceh.
Aceh's future won't be defined by the shadows of its past, but by how its people, especially its youth, carry that legacy forward. On fields once silenced by conflict, young Acehnese now chase different goals. They dream not of war, but of opportunity, aiming high and hoping to score for a more just, peaceful and prosperous tomorrow. Saiful Bahri Ismail, CNA, Banda Aceh, Indonesia.